guys! Welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support. And in this video guys, I will do unboxing of my order in Lazada, which is the JBL Bluetooth headset. So let's start. Okay, don't forget guys to disinfect. Because you know there is this COVID, so let's make sure that we are not getting any virus from the delivery. Here it is guys, this is my order, JBL Bluetooth wireless headset. You know guys why I choose JBL, because it's giving a very nice sound. I know because I was having already before, but I lost it. And it says here, of course, it's wireless, pure bass sound and hands-free calls. And also guys, the battery is 16 hours battery life with a fast charge. And also the color guys, I choose gold to pair with my new MacBook Air. And let's open it. So there is this quick start guide, the manual, and the charger. You see the USB and the Type-C cable. So here it is guys. You see, it's a very nice. You see there is also indicator right and left. And it's perfect. It's fitting nicely the earbuds. And there is the volume up and the down. And this is the power. So it looks very nice guys. Now I will try to test and I will tell you what is the sounds looks like. So let me connect to my laptop. Okay, so I hope that there is the charge. Let's switch on. Okay, here it's showing flashes and blue, so let's try if it is I can find it already. Yes, I can find here JBL TUNE 215BT. So let's connect. Now let's play some music. Yes guys, it's working. Yes, both working, the earbuds. Yes guys, I can tell you that it's working perfectly, and the sounds is you can really feel, you know, with the bass. And I can enjoy now with your music, with your singing, and with your talk. I can easily communicate with you guys now because I can hear you very well. And hope you like this video guys. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, to support my channel. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!